Now we're going to reinstall the CV shaft. What we'll do is just line it up with the hole in the side of the differential. Get it started on the splines. There you go. Make sure that the circlip engages all the way. Okay. Next we're going to install the knuckle. Just start it in there. And line it up with your upper and lower ball joints. Just like that. Now we'll install the nut for the upper ball joint. Then we've got a nut and a bolt and a washer for the lower ball joint. Next you want to reinstall the tie rod in. Now once you get your ball joints and your tie rod hardware tight, be sure to replace the cotter pins. Next to go back on is the debris shield. Next to go on is going to be our hub. Just before I put that on there, I always like to put a little bit of anti-seize compound on the splines right here. That way if you ever have to go back in there again, they won't be all rusted up. Once you get that on there, then reinstall the axle nut. Now once we get this axle nut tightened down, then we need to lock it. I'm going to zoom in here and show you a little more detail what we got going on here. The end of the axle has got a little flat cut in right there, and there's a raised portion of the actual axle nut that's like a little sleeve made onto it, and that's what's called staking. So what you do is you just take your punch and you put it right there on that groove. That drives part of that down into that groove there. So that way your nut can't back off. There you have it. Next we'll reinstall the brake caliper. Then we'll reinstall the brake hose clamp. Alrighty guys, well that's going to wrap up our CV boot project for our Yamaha Grizzly 660. It wasn't too hard of a job to do. Shoot, if this old redneck here can do it, I guarantee you can do it too. Alright. Well, as always, appreciate y'all watching. Drop me a couple of comments down in the comment section below. And y'all have a good one. Catch y'all next time around.
it.